Today on Fixation 500, we're going to bottle some beer. I brewed this about 3 weeks ago. I had it in a cool, dark spot, and now we're ready for bottling. The number one step in bottling is making sure you have a clean, sterile environment. This is a no-rinse sterilization solution that I poured in each one of these bottles. Let it sit about 2 minutes, shake it vigorously, then pour it out. Then we add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar to each bottle for our carbonation. When I fill the bottle with beer, I go to about the 1 inch mark to allow room for some carbonation to happen. There, about 1 inch from the top. We put our cap on top. Seal it. And a way to tell that your bottle is ready is when you taste your beer after about 3 weeks. If it has the flavor of a dry Chardonnay, then you're ready for bottling. If it's still a little bit sweet, let it sit another 4 or 5 days. Well, that's all we have for Fixation 500 today. Make sure you click subscribe. We'll see you next time.